While certain officers misuse their power and forsake their oath, today's story reveals how instant karma strikes back with a forceful impact. Let's examine a troubling incident where a police officer's poor judgment led to an unnecessary taser use during a confusing vehicle search. On July 26, 2019, the encounter began with a police officer talking to a civilian who appeared to be anxious. The officer's initial investigation focused on ensuring that the individual was not under the influence of alcohol or in possession of a weapon.
Alright. How you doing? Good, man. You ain't got no weapons or nothing? Alright, do you want to come over and talk to me real quick? You got out kind of quick. Nah, man, so I was making contact because you were here for a while, and then you backed out, and went back over here. You backed in. I just make sure you're not drunk or something. No, I'm looking for stuff in my car. Right.
As the conversation continued, the police requested to search the vehicle. The driver was asked if he agreed to this search, which is a crucial moment in the interaction. The driver seemed to agree to the search, although there was some hesitation and confusion about the procedure.
Alright, man, I just want to check you out, make sure everything's okay, man. I saw you back. You were about to turn out on the road, and then you backed up. What's up with that? Where you trying to go, man? Because you got out of the car pretty quick. There's no guns in the car today? Alright, dude, I had to make sure it wasn't a freaking AK back there or anything, sawed off, nothing like that, right? So, but nothing bad in the car today, man?
Bad in the car.
Alright, any narcotics in the car today? A little bit of weed? No paraphernalia?
Paraphernalia.
Nothing like that, okay. Have you been arrested in Baytown before, man?
No, I haven't.
Alright, have you ever been arrested before or anything?
No, sir.
So while I'm waiting on the return, is it cool if I make sure nothing bad in the car today?
I mean, you want to search the car, you can search it.
Okay. Yeah, no, you're right. Hey, do you mind if I check your pockets, make sure you ain't got nothing? I can?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just want to make sure, man.
I got a little mace can.
Okay, I'm going to grab that so I don't get... Not saying you will, I just know.
Totally searching my car. I mean, what's going on? I don't understand.
What do you mean? I searched it. Yeah, you go ahead and search. That's what's going on right now. What do you not understand, sir? Ain't nothing to it, man. No need to be tripping or nothing.
Okay, so what's the issue? I don't understand. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm just checking you out, man. You gave us consent to
I don't
search.
have any warrants, right?
Nope, but hey, you said, oh, this is consensual. You're staying here. You gave us consent to search.
According to the Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause, supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched, and the persons or things to be seized. The police officer told the man that he could leave if he wanted to, but right after that, the officer decided to arrest the man. The man began to resist, and the officer used a taser, even though the man was visibly distressed.
I got insurance, everything. What's
Okay,
going on?
and what does that have to do with anything?
So when am I free to go?
Whenever, man.
Whenever?
Yeah. All right, put your hand in my bag.
What did I do?
Don't tense up, dude. Oh, freaking drop you.
What did I do? What's going on?
I'm taking the ground.
Sir, I didn't do anything. What's going on? What's going on? I don't know what's going on, sir.
Put your hand behind your back. I'm going to tase you.
I'm just doing it.
Put your hand in your back. Put your hand behind your back.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Oh, sir, I didn't do anything.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, sir, please don't kill me, sir. You're killing me, sir. You're gonna kill me.
Watch it. Let me get it. Watch it. Watch out. Taser. Put your hand behind your back. Watch it. Watch out. Put your hands behind your back. Relax. Stop pulling away. Careful, the weeds are all over here. Put your hands behind your back. I got this arm. All right? I got this arm. Okay. Keep going. Yeah, I got this hand. Bring his other one around. You get the other. Hey, man, give him your arm, dude. You're bleeding your ass off. Give him your arm. So you get his arm. Stop. Hey, dude, roll your arm over. Roll your arm over.
Roll your arm over right now, man.
Roll him my way. Roll him up, face up. Give me your arm, man.
Police use physical force to the extent necessary to secure observance of the law or to restore order only when the exercise of persuasion, advice, and warning is found to be insufficient. The officer clearly violated this provision. Ultimately, this officer had to face disciplinary measures, including a 30-day unpaid suspension. The department also mandated additional training on de-escalation techniques and appropriate search procedures. On February 3, 2017, while receiving assistance from medical staff, the patient became aggressive.
What direction was she going? One here.
What do you guys got going on?
She's about 3 seconds. Puke.
Oh my God, Brittany has been to the hospital, honey. You riding with me, Britt?
Everybody, step back. You're out of the way.
We don't even listen.
How we doing?
Excuse me, sir. You got my ear, you can just talk to him. Now he's listening.
Did they get any witnesses or anything? No. One of them said that Trey Underwood was in with the argument, but they didn't. There was a guy that was with Trey that was actually the one that hit him. And black male happened at that time. Okay.
Oh, I see her here, guys. She's up by the post office right now going north. Keep walking.
Just everybody get back. Maybe get back over on the sidewalk now. Get back! Get back now!
Sergeant Robinson deployed a taser after being kicked multiple times by the patient. Subsequently, the paramedic intervened with Sergeant Robinson and placed a hand on him. Sergeant Robinson, unaware of who had touched him, reacted by grabbing his arm and pushing the paramedic away.
You're gonna go to jail. You're gonna go to jail. Everybody back. Everybody back. Do not tase him. Do not tase him. His skull's busted open. He's freaking out.
He's fucking mad.
You okay, man?
Arnold, let it happen.
He's out with her at 7
They're looking out for everybody. He's breathing a little bit. Don't struggle with the potato. Bitch ass motherfucker. His feet are here on top. Yeah. At least he's getting words out. That's something.
Trying to help you, man.
Portsmouth Police Chief Robert Ware says he did not see anything in a video between a police officer and an EMT that upholds claims of improper use of force. Chief Ware said Thursday at a news conference there will be no action taken against the officer, and that he believed he acted in a way, considering the circumstance, he thought was best.
Because I'm getting pissed off.
Why are you getting pissed
Because
off?
I want to go home. You guys are pulling me over for no reason.
We're on
It's
a
like
long traffic
Ira's. It's like Ira's. You know Ira, the blue guy with the guy who's right there? It's exactly like his, except it's got 2 seats.
Welcome to Cops Quiz. In today's video, we're diving into a jaw-dropping story. When corrupt cops mess with the wrong lady and face a $500,000 lawsuit. If you're passionate about justice and want to see how understanding the law can turn the tables, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Don't miss out on the details of this incredible case where a lack of understanding of the law led to dire consequences for some rogue officers. Let's get started. On the night of November 19, 2018, in Brookings, Oregon, 2 police officers pulled over 49-year-old Jennifer Gaiman, who was riding her 3-wheeled mobility scooter home after a karaoke night. Ms. Gaiman, who suffers from several health conditions, including Best disease, macular degeneration, COPD, asthma, lumbar degeneration, and peripheral neuropathy, faced challenges due to her disability during this encounter, highlighting issues faced by individuals with disabilities.
Okay, well, I'm trying to get my camera on real quick. Okay, so let you know, conversation being recorded. Are you able to turn that music down a little bit just so we can talk better? Okay.
It's freezing.
It is
Yeah,
cold.
why are you stopping me then? I've
Okay,
been watching this thing
I'm
for
gonna-
over 2 years
I'm
now.
gonna explain it to you in a second. We're stopping you because you're on a sidewalk with it.
Yeah,
you rode
because
through
it
a
is
crosswalk.
on the
The legal issue centers on whether Ms. Gaiman's scooter qualifies as a motor-assisted scooter under Oregon law. These scooters, defined as having up to 4 wheels, seating, and motor or human propulsion, must not exceed 1,000 watts and a speed of 24 mph. However, under Section 814-5524, these scooters are not allowed on sidewalks except to access adjacent properties. Ms. Gaiman argues that, according to the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, her scooter is essential for her mobility and should be accommodated reasonably.
Look it up. It's a mobile scooter. It's a mobile scooter.
Okay.
It's an electronic scooter.
Yeah, it's a mobile scooter. Do you understand what that means? It's my mobile scooter. It's how I get around. I don't have a car. Okay? Because I'm getting pissed off.
Why are you getting pissed
Because
off?
I want to go home. You guys are pulling me over for no reason.
We're on
It's
a
like
long traffic
Ira's. It's like Ira's. You know Ira, the blue guy with the guy who's right there? It's exactly like his, except it's got 2 seats.
Okay.
I
So
gotta
it's
go.
electronic.
I'm cold. You guys are
You're not free to leave.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're
No, you're
not.
not.
Yeah, I am because you legally cannot stop me.
You're lawfully detained right now.
Yeah, because you don't have a reason to. You guys are legally, you're taking my Disability Act and you're throwing it in the garbage.
I have no
This is
idea
my
what you're
disability scooter.
The legal debate over the ADA's application to public sidewalks is complex. While Title II, Section 3510 of the ADA covers services by public entities, and the Ninth Circuit's ruling in Barton v. City of Sacramento supports this. The Fifth Circuit's decision in Frame v. City of Arlington excludes sidewalks from ADA coverage. Oregon, under the Ninth Circuit, awaits Supreme Court guidance. Ms. Gaiman might argue that allowing her scooter on sidewalks is a reasonable accommodation under the ADA. When the police stopped her, they demanded identification. In Oregon, officers can request identification during a stop. Failure to provide ID can result in legal consequences, as Section 807-570 considers not presenting a driver's license a Class C misdemeanor, though proving possession of a valid license later can serve as a defense. Oregon law broadly defines vehicles, including scooters, under Section 801.5. Section 807.570 emphasizes having a valid license as a defense against penalties, prioritizing deterrence over punishment for non-licensed driving. Ms. Gaiman's case highlights the interplay of federal and local regulations. Title II of the ADA mandates reasonable accommodations, while Section 35.1137 allows public entities to seek credible assurance of disability-related device use, such as state-issued disability permits or verbal confirmation. If sidewalk use is deemed a necessary adjustment, a judge might validate Ms. Gaiman's claim. However, the officer stated she must wear a helmet, cannot use crosswalks, and cannot carry passengers on her scooter, backed by specific Oregon laws. While there is an exemption for those with impairments using crosswalks, there is none for helmet use or carrying passengers.
Are you going to let him explain to you why you're actually on a lawful traffic stop?
So we stopped you because it was actually looked up before, okay? You can't ride this in a crosswalk and on the sidewalk.
Are you kidding me? So the mobile scooters that ride around here, all these old people can't ride them on the sidewalk?
Nope, not according to the Oregon Department of Transportation. I'll look it up for you, just so you can know that I'm not messing with you.
Do you have an ID on you?
I don't need to give you my ID.
You do. You are lawfully detained. You've been explained that. You will provide your name or identification.
And you guys see me riding this many times, and you know it. There's my ID.
I've never seen you riding this around.
Yes, you have.
You will get it back once we finish.
You asked me to show you what the rules were.
No, I just want to go. I can look them up myself.
No.
I'm cold and I want to go and
Nope.
shower. Oh, really?
You are not free to go right now. You're not free to go until we are finished.
I'm finished with you.
Ms. Gaiman's situation illustrates the complexity of interactions between state laws and the ADA. The city must provide reasonable accommodations for her scooter use, but the ADA does not exempt her from all regulations. The legitimacy of her claims remains uncertain, as it is unclear how her impairment necessitates the requested accommodations. Despite this, her impairment alone is unlikely to exempt her from the regulations cited by the officer. Eventually, Ms. Gaiman received several citations within a 15-minute period.
So the way I pull them off like this, and then fold this back up that way, and then put that right there. Let dispatch know that you guys go forward.
So this is just a California ID card. We still put down the ID number?
Yeah, you put down the number, and then when it says state California license class ID.
Okay.
Serving give disabled people tickets.
Not yet. 11:19.
So the ORS for what you're going to put under it.
Okay.
So right here, leave this top one empty because that's speed related, but for this one we're going to put 814.524 unsafe operation.
Just unsafe operation.
Unsafe operation of, and it'll be in the next one is, yeah, there you go. Just operation of motor assisted scooter on sidewalk.
Oh, that's... The time, is that going to be right now? 27. Because it was all on the highway?
Yes, it's highway.
And then just put 101? Or no, just leave it highway side. That's not
So the
nice.
intersection where it says highway
Avenue.
So it'll be Checkhill Avenue and Fern. That's where we're making contact with her.
And then we're going to check on these. So intentional, knowing, reckless, criminal negligence, or no culpable mental state.
So that one's a D violation. So it'll be the D violation is going to be 115. For that.
Okay. And this will be violation, so it'll be CB on back. That'll be traffic.
Failure to wear protective headgear.
To wear a protective...
Wear protective headgear.
And then for officers, agency ID?
So yours will be 216.
Okay, so that's my call sign. And then first officer ID.
Yes, it's going to be right there.
Okay, gotcha. She refuses to give her address. Why are we going on that one?
We already have her in justice, so we can actually look it up.
Oh, okay. Copy.
I need to put my information as the witness officer. So obviously I saw her in the crosswalk and on the sidewalk. And not wearing a helmet. You know, give me her ID. I'll actually issue it so you can see it issued. Picture. Have you ever received a citation in order before?
No, I just.
Oh, I'll go ahead and explain it.
No, I
Thanks.
know. I've had a
So
citation.
here's the deal. I'm going to do
Thank
my job.
you. No, I don't need your job.
Okay.
You're not doing your job, though.
Do my job.
You're not going to be protecting because listen, those people
So I'm
up there
trying to issue a
screaming.
citation right now, and
Okay,
you're
okay,
berating
come
me.
on, hurry up.
So if you try to reach and grab something out of my hand again, you're going to go to jail tonight
Hurry the
for
fuck
interfering with a
up.
police officer. You understand that? Your court date is going to be at the bottom here. It apparently didn't bleed over.
Yeah,
What was
of
the
course
court
it
date?
didn't.
Is it the 6th of December?
Yes. Make sure since it didn't bleed through.
I dare you. I have no right.
Go over them. Pick whichever one best works for whatever you got going on in life. Your citations today are for operation of a motor vehicle in
It's
a
not a motor
sidewalk.
vehicle.
Motor scooter.
It's a mobility
Unsafe
scooter.
operation of a motor scooter.
Mobility scooter.
The first two I read you have a $115 presumptive fine. The second one for the helmet, or excuse me, the third one has a $25 presumptive fine. You're not allowed to ride this thing without a helmet. You're not allowed to ride it in crosswalks. You are not allowed to ride it on sidewalks.
I want to leave.
That's fine.
I'm gonna get pneumonia.
Okay.
Hand me the ticket.
So until you get a helmet, you are not allowed to drive this thing. Just so you know.
I have to get home.
I got that. You chose to drive tonight or ride this tonight without a helmet.
Thank you.
So I'm telling you right now.
Okay, you already gave me a ticket for it. Come on.
You're not welcome
Okay,
to drive
bye.
this.
Her encounter emphasizes the importance of adhering to traffic laws for safety. Riding a scooter without a helmet is illegal and risky. Her subsequent arrest and conviction for attempting to evade police highlight the legal consequences of disobeying law enforcement. Her appeal and federal lawsuit add complexities related to civil liberties and law enforcement practices. While the police received criticism for poor judgment, Ms. Gaiman's decision to evade arrest was also criticized. This case underscores the ongoing struggle for justice and the need for both citizens and law enforcement to understand and follow criminal statutes to foster a just and lawful society. The YouTube channel originating from Philadelphia is curated by an individual well-versed in both legal matters and personal rights. Their dedication to disseminating content is firmly rooted in accountability, navigating the legal landscape while championing individual freedoms. On May 10, 2020, the Suicide City Police Department received a concerning report from North Bay Medical Center regarding a potential case involving the ingestion of nail polish remover. Officers Tiffany Kanoma and Cody Marler swiftly responded to the residence of Sergeant Cyrah Hawkins, a military veteran residing in Suicide City, California. Upon arrival, Hawkins voiced concern over a perceived violation of his rights, asserting that the officer's presence on his porch constituted an invasion of his home's privacy. Under U.S. law, areas surrounding a residence, like a porch, are considered protected spaces. Officers can approach and engage in questioning without a warrant, but are restricted from searches without consent.
He's at the window.
Hello. You know who that is? No. Who's your girlfriend or your baby mama?
The lady we just saw.
The lady
we
right
can
here.
see.
First of all, that's my wife, Marla.
Okay.
Marla.
Okay.
And who?
Kanama. So who's this?
What's the problem?
So we're here on a welfare check. We have to make sure she's okay.
Why?
Because we received a call from North Bay for the incident that occurred earlier.
Look right there. Supposed to be an investigator if y'all investigating something. 9 years U.S. Army. Now what's the problem?
What's your percent?
I don't have to identify myself to you, do I? Am I under investigation? You want to tell me what's going on? Don't knock on my window.
Can you come out here?
No, she can't come out there. Y'all need to tell me what's going on. This is my house.
We told you. We're here for a welfare check.
Welfare checks are what?
No, I got it.
Ma'am?
Y'all violating my rights right now.
No, we're
Actually,
not.
We're not, dude.
Yes, you are, because you're not telling me.
Tensions flared between Officer Marler and Sergeant Hawkins, leading to a verbal altercation. While Marler's actions did not constitute a crime, they violated Policy 323, prohibiting disrespectful behavior and offensive language while on duty. According to the 1987 Supreme Court case, City of Houston versus Hill, individuals have the right to criticize law enforcement under the First Amendment. Hawkins, though angered, exercised this right by responding with profanity. Officer Konoma intervened, redirecting attention to a welfare check mix-up. Welfare checks are vital for community well-being, stemming from the concept of community caretaking, established in the 1976 Supreme Court case, Katie v. Dombrowski. These checks allow police to assess individuals' welfare without necessarily investigating a crime. In Coniglia v. Strom, 2021, the Supreme Court clarified that while no specific exception exists for homes, officers may enter under exigent circumstances, such as preventing evidence destruction, addressing public safety threats, or providing emergency aid. The Fourth Amendment's exigent circumstances theory permits warrantless entries in specific situations, such as the possible medical emergency in this case.
You are.
How?
Because
which right? Which civil right are we violating?
Why are you raising your
We're
voice?
not violating
Why is he
anything.
raising his voice?
Okay.
Why is he raising his
So
voice?
we are here on
Are you
a
threatening
welfare
me?
check.
I can go inside my
We are
house.
here on a welfare check.
Already, I don't know what that
Well,
means.
Stop talking. Let me talk.
I don't have
Over
to stop
a child
talking.
that
Okay.
ingested
Right?
that ingested.
Why is he I don't like him.
A person
He's raising
that
his voice at me
ingested
right now.
Or
First of all, you came to my house and said, "Is that my girlfriend or my baby mama?" That's my wife. So
Okay.
that's disrespectful starting off.
All right, sir. Okay, I understand.
So now I can raise my
So,
voice, right?
so, no, you can eat a dick.
What's his problem?
Okay, okay.
Nah, I need y'all badge numbers. I'm sorry.
That's fine. I'll
I'm
give
sorry.
you my badge number. It's to
Now
make
you're
sure
telling me the
somebody
reason
is
after you told me to
okay.
eat a dick.
Sir.
So you told me to eat a dick, right? Marler?
I messed up. I apologize.
Now that you on film, you messed up.
No,
so
you can
you
record.
haven't violated any of my
So-
rights.
no,
the
sir.
first thing you said to me coming here was,
So,
"Is
sir.
that my baby mama or my girlfriend?" I need your name and your badge number.
Officer Conma, 107.
Thank you. I need your name and your badge
Officer
number.
Marler 102. We received.
He
a
said
call
he's not
from North
violating
Bay.
any of my rights.
Okay.
Yet he came
We
to my
wanna make
house
sure
and
the kid
said,
is okay.
"Is that my baby mama or my girlfriend?"
We want to make sure
That's
the
the
kid
first
is
thing he said
okay.
to me.
Okay.
Did you?
What's your name?
And she's at my window. I told you not to go to my window. Close the blinds.
Do you have a 14-year-old son?
Close the blinds.
Hold on, sir.
Close the blinds.
Sir, do you have a 14-year-old son?
Close the blinds.
Are your
Close the
children okay,
blinds.
ma'am? Are your children okay?
Okay.
Do they look okay, guy? He's asking if my children are okay.
We're gonna leave now.
Give me one
Why? Because
second.
I gotta eat a dick? That's why you leaving now?
We're gonna leave now. I don't know who a 14.
My family was here all day. We had a good day.
I don't know who the 14-year-old is.
Okay.
I don't.
Okay, we
You told me to
appreciate
eat a
your
dick.
service.
So thank
give
you
me a
for telling me to eat
second.
a
Can you
dick.
please-
After
can
I
you
fucking
please
served
walk
you
away?
for 9 years, you dick. If you served and you telling
Okay.
people to eat a dick, you probably was a piece of.
All right.
You can get the out of here. That's what you can do, Marler. You eat a dick.
Can I explain to you?
You guys, listen. I need you to come down so you're not scared.
Okay.
Kids, okay?
All right.
Okay.
You're right.
So
All right.
we
I got it.
got a call.
Now
I was
after all
trying.
of that,
We
now
were
she's
trying to
telling me what
explain from the.
happened.
Well, you're not letting me explain.
You never explained. You started asking questions. He said, "Is that my girlfriend or my baby mama?"
Okay. I apologize for that. Okay. I'm here to clarify. So, address, correct?
That is this
Okay.
address.
So it may have been a miscommunication between North Bay and our dispatch. So we got a call that we needed. Okay. A 3-year-old was brought into the hospital because she ingested nail polish remover, and that is absolutely fine. So this just got a little out of hand.
But you don't come to somebody's house and say, "Is that your baby mama or your girlfriend?"
Okay, well, here's the deal. Clearly, we came to the wrong address. I apologize for that. Okay.
I don't know what North.
Okay. Okay, I'm explaining to you. So if you're not that person and your children are fine and your wife is not
I
having a
told
mental
you that.
breakdown, then I'm going to leave, okay?
Right, and I explained that.
But you were talking over us, and you're not letting us speak.
But I did.
Okay,
I did.
I'm going to leave now. Okay, I'm leaving now, sir.
I gave you an instruction.
Okay.
To bring my window, but you did.
Have a good night, sir.
I'll work on that. I'll work on it.
Officer Marlar's conduct towards Hawkins sparked public outcry. After Hawkins posted a video of the encounter on YouTube, revealing Marlar's disrespectful behavior and language, the police department swiftly responded, emphasizing a zero-tolerance policy and Chief Aaron Roth's commitment to learning from the situation. Marlar has since been relieved of duty, though the specifics of his departure remain unclear. Officer Konoma and Sergeant Hawkins faced repercussions for their responses to the emergency. Konoma's attempt to de-escalate earned him a B for professionalism, with room for improvement in communication. Hawkins received the same grade, as his angry reaction exacerbated the situation. This event underscores the pivotal role of law enforcement officers in shaping encounter outcomes and the importance of maintaining professionalism throughout. It also highlights the potential consequences of not adhering to protocols, which could lead to delays in addressing emergencies and even escalate them. Stories of corruption in the police force are not just their problem, but also our problem, part of our community. Hopefully, this video has highlighted the importance of fairness and transparency in society. Let's work together to make everyone's voice heard and bring about change. Don't forget to contribute by sharing this video and subscribing to the Cops Quiz channel. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.